Despite the intense cold that we've had this winter, it's important to remember that here in Louisiana, winter is a planting season for us. We plant hardy trees and shrubs this time of the year. They don't mind the cold. Even the freezes we had recently are simply not going to cause problems. So don't forget, if you need to add some shrubs or trees to your landscape, try to get it done early, January, February, early March at the latest. I wanted to introduce you to a shrub that you might not be familiar with, and this is called the Plum Yew, Plumyew. It's Cephalotaxis Harringtonia. That's a big mouthful for a Latin name, but just call it Plum Yew. Now, these plants are adapted to shady areas, and we're always looking for good evergreen, lower growing shrubs for shady spots in our landscape. Lots of shrubs for the sun, not as many for the shade. This shrub is a lower growing, spreading shrub, will only get to be about 2 feet tall and spread about 3 feet. This particular Plum Yew is a wonderful plant for the texture that it provides in the shade. You can see it has these needle-like leaves that are dark green, shiny, and it's evergreen. It keeps its foliage year-round. Has come through the freezes in beautiful shape. Now, it's related to, but different from, the Japanese yew. You see those over here. You may be familiar with the Japanese yew. We've used these in our landscapes for a long time, but they grow into a tree. For a nice low-growing shrub for shady areas, think about the Plum Yew, a really great plant for Louisiana landscapes. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.